Out with the old and in with a smarter long-term gutter solution. In this video, we'll showcase the full outfitting process with replacing an outdated internal gutter system and asbestos soffit with a more efficient Lindab Gutter external setup. Internal gutters were popular in the 1980s and 1990s, but they're difficult to maintain and do not have the capability to manage today's extreme weather events, which can lead to water flowing back into the property during heavy rain. By switching to external Lindab gutters, we've improved drainage, reduced maintenance, and added long-term value to your home. Watch as we take you through the transformation from removal to installation, and see how the modern external Lindab gutter system can protect and enhance your property for years to come. Thinking about an upgrade? Let's chat.